Welcome. If you've ever wanted to browse Messenger without everyone knowing you're online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to turn off your active status in the Messenger app. This way, you can read and reply to messages on your own time and stay invisible when you need privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which is usually located at the top left or bottom right corner of the screen, depending on your app version. Tap on it to open your account options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. In this section, you'll find a number of options to manage your account, privacy, and notifications. What we want to focus on here is your active status. So go ahead and select Active Status. Inside this menu, you'll see a toggle switch. By default, this switch is usually turned on, meaning your friends and contacts can see when you're active or recently active. If you'd like to appear offline, simply toggle the switch off. After you do that, a confirmation window will appear. It's just making sure you really want to turn off your active status. Confirm your choice, and once you do, your green dot will disappear and you'll appear invisible to others on Messenger. It's important to know that when you turn off your active status, you also won't be able to see when other people are active. Think of it as a fair trade-off for privacy. You'll still be able to send and receive messages like normal, but people won't know whether you're currently online. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your active status on Messenger. From now on, you can use the app without feeling like you're being watched every time you open it. Thanks for watching.